Good morning. Showing you how to cook very fast garlic rice. Alright? Garlic rice here. See, look, easy. Like that. Garlic rice. Garlic rice. And then put it back. And then you put sesame seeds. Alright. And then salt. Alright. Salt. Okay. Then I have a roasted garlic here. This is the roasted garlic that I fried last time. This one. And this is the oil of the garlic, toasted garlic. I'm gonna just put a little bit here. You're right. And then okay, like that. It seems like I have a small pot. It's okay. You put it here and put it back. Alright. Yummy already. Make it toasted. Make it toasted. The rice is already almost, you know. This is the leftover rice from yesterday and the other day. So they always keep it in here. Right. Alright, again. And mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Very good. Yeah. Mix it very good. Yeah, because the rice is too cold from the refrigerator. And this time, after the rice is already toasted, you put this toasted garlic. Because if you put the garlic now, you're gonna burn, right? Don't burn your garlic, just brown garlic. All right. Very easy. Again, mix it again here. Mix it again. Because I cannot mix here, it's too small. Right? So this is my own technique, how to make a garlic rice. And then, this is already garlic rice without garlic. And then if you wanna make it more yummy, this is flavor. This is butter. Yes, this is butter. Leftover butter. You can put it. Yep, that's the leftover butter. See? If you don't want to put leftover butter, it's okay. Because it's too much cholesterol and too much, it's oily. My wife don't like too much oil. I cook this for my wife because my wife loves garlic rice. She put it palaman in her, make it a garlic rice sandwich. Okay, again. And mix it again. See? Easy to mix. again. Right. Put it back. See. With no salt. Okay. And maybe more sesame seeds. I like sesame seeds. Ooh, sesame seeds. All right. And then put it back here again. Mix it again. Mix it again. And put it back again. Actually, I use this one with a little oil already here. Because my daughter, my son-in-law wake up 6 o'clock in the morning, they're cooking. The only food that they can cook is spam and egg, scrambled egg. And they cook it and nobody eats it. Oh my goodness. I don't know why they cook and nobody eats. Well, they cook it. They cook the spam and the egg in the microwave rice. Didn't eat the rice at all. It's kind of appetizing, right? Okay.